Everyone, whether you're creating social media graphics, presentations, posters, or thumbnails, Canva makes designing simple, even if you've never designed anything before. With thousands of ready-made templates and an easy drag-and-drop editor, you can build professional-looking designs in just a few minutes. In this full guide, I'll show you exactly how to create a design in Canva step by step. So let's get started. First, open Canva in your web browser or desktop app and sign in to your account. If you don't have an account yet, you can create one using your email address or another available sign-in option. Next, click the Create a Design button near the top of the page. You can choose a popular design type like an Instagram post, YouTube thumbnail, presentation, flyer, or custom size depending on what you want to create. Canva also suggests templates based on your selection. Once your design opens, you can either select one of Canva's templates or start with a blank page. Templates are perfect if you want professional results without designing everything from scratch. Now personalize your design by changing the text, colors, fonts, images, icons, or other elements. You can simply click any object to edit it, drag items into new positions, or resize them until everything looks the way you want. Canva automatically saves your work as you make changes. If you'd like to make your design even more creative, open the Elements panel to add shapes, icons, illustrations, charts, frames, or stickers. You can also upload your own images, logos, or graphics from your computer. Once you're happy with your design, click Share, then choose Download. Select your preferred file format, such as PNG, JPG, or PDF, and save the finished design to your device. You can also share the design directly with others using Canva's sharing options. And that's how to create a design in Canva. With templates, drag-and-drop editing, and thousands of creative elements, Canva makes it easy to design professional graphics for almost any project. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.